Today we'll measure the insulation resistance of cable. So this is the insulation resistance tester, and we have to check whether this instrument is working or not. This is a positive and negative terminals. We have to short here, and we have to press this button. If it shows 0, that means your meter is now ready for measuring the insulation resistance. If it doesn't show 0, that means we have to replace the batteries. Okay, now we will this is the earthing armor, and this is I will connect to the different phases, so R phases, and I will press this button. So this is showing the 500 mega ohm. That means it is good. Resistance should be more than 100 mega ohms. Now the Y and earthing, again I press again 500 mega ohms. Again I will connect to the blue phase, and again I will press this. Again it is showing 250 mega ohms. So it is again good. Now I will check the neutral and armor, that is earthing, and if I will check, that is a 250 mega ohms. So it is a more than 100 mega ohm. So insulation resistance of this cable is good between the earthing and different phases. Now we will measure the between the neutral and different phases. So this is a R and neutral, and I will press this. Again this is a 250 mega ohm, so it is more than 100 mega ohm. I will again check between Y and neutral. Again this is a 250 mega ohm. Again I will connect the blue to the, again between the blue and neutral. I will check, again it is a 250 mega ohms. That means it is showing the reading above the 100 mega ohms. Now we will check between the phases, different phases, that is a R phase, and this is the Y phase. So I check, this is a 500 mega ohm, less than 500, but it is more than 100 mega ohm. So it is, I think it is a 250 mega ohm. Again I will check between R and blue phase. So it is a 250 mega ohm. Again I will connect between the blue and Y phase. So it is again 250 mega ohm. That means it is a insulation resistance of this cable is good. Now suppose what happens if suppose one of the phase is insulation is break, and that phase is in contact with this armor. In that case the resistance of for the faulty condition will be 0. If it shows the 0 resistance, that means there is no insulation between the your conductor and this armor. So this is about how you can check the insulation resistance of the cable. Thank you very much for watching the video.